Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Lone Wolf Picker, and we're gonna open up a rack pack from 1988 Donruss. 9 puzzle pieces, 45 trading cards. We got Mattingly, Dwayne Ward, and Al Leiter on the front. So we'll go ahead and get these opened up. Now the 88 had a puzzle of Stan Musial, so we'll do these in sections. Okay, here we go. So obviously, if you don't know anything about the 88 Donruss, they're in the junk wax era, very mass produced. But the card, hopefully, that we might find in here is the Tom Glavine rookie card. So then we got Mattingly, Shane Rawley, Roy Smalley, Hall of Famer Goose Gossage. Well, some people consider him the GOAT. I don't know. But there's Jose, off center. And Scott Terry, Jeff Russell, Randy Reddy, Brooke Jacoby, Tom Nieto, Jeff Stone, Corey Schneider, Franklin Stubbs, and end with Greg Matthews. All right, the middle section with Dwayne Ward, former White Sox John Cangelosi, got Tom Foley, and a checklist, Mike Felder, Kurt Stillwell, Danny Jackson, Eric Davis MVP, yeah, Chris Brown, not that Chris Brown. There's Rick Cerrone, Pat Tavler, former Cub for a minute, Cubs announcer Jim DeShays, Bella Wilkinson, Mike LaCrosse, and Joey Meyer. And the bottom section here, we'll go with another rated rookie, Al Leiter. Willie Guillermo Hernandez. I guess it would be Guillermo Willie Hernandez. Former Cub as well. David Palmer. Gene Nelson. Scott Fletcher. Mike Bilecki. Was a Cub for a minute. John Shelby. Here we go. Danny Tarnable. Hey, all right. Greg Maddux. That's a nice one. It's his second year. Hall of Famer Don Sutton. Larry Sheets, Mookie Wilson, Tom Henke, Danny Darwin, and Alfredo Grevin. All right, well, that's what we have for the 88 Donruss. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good day.